PPE Exam Introduction, your roadmap to success. If you are preparing for the SACAP Professional Practice Examination, it is important to start with a clear understanding of both the syllabus and the structure of the exam questions. The PPE consists of 2 written papers covering 5 main sections of knowledge, from legislation and professional practice through to contracts, procurement, and project delivery. These sections form the backbone of what is expected from a competent architectural professional. But more importantly, past papers show that the exams are structured around 10 recurring clusters of questions. These clusters include legislation and legal framework, SACAP structure, and registration code of professional conduct, building regulations and SANS 10400, professional fees and appointments, contracts and legal obligations, project administration and work stages, property and land matters, copyright practice management. Once you understand these clusters, the exam becomes far more predictable and far more manageable. Purpose of these support materials. These PPE support materials have been carefully compiled using all the main source documents, including legislation, SACAP guidelines, study aids, and past examination papers. Their purpose is simple: to improve the success rate of students undertaking the written PPE exams. They are designed to help you focus on what is actually examined, understand how marks are allocated, recognize patterns in questions, and build confidence through structured preparation. Students who work through these materials thoroughly will always perform better than those who study in an unstructured way. The best way to prepare. There is no single method that works for everyone, but there is a proven approach that consistently delivers results. Start by building a strong foundation. Obtain hard copies of key legislation, regulations, codes of conduct, and bylaws. Print out past exam papers and become familiar with question styles. Print the Krinoff study materials and download the video presentations. Then engage actively with the content. Read through the Krinoff materials carefully. Watch and listen to the video explanations. Work through each of the 10 question clusters systematically. Most importantly, test yourself regularly. Practice writing answers the way the exam expects them. Remember, this exam is not just about knowledge. It is about how you present that knowledge under exam conditions. Final thought. Everyone has their own way of learning. The key is to follow a method that works for you and refine it until you can consistently produce correct, structured answers. If you stay disciplined, use these materials properly, and practice across all 10 clusters, you will place yourself in the strongest possible position to succeed. This is your roadmap. Now commit to the process.